welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, this is going to be a hack of all hacks for you. I think you're going to love it. It's actually one of my favorite hacks. And in honor of that, I wore my little t-shirt that says, if you've got it, flaunt it, instead of, if you've got it, flaunt it. So anyway, I thought it would be cute for this video. Well, today, I am going to make for you pumpkin pie truffles. Or you can turn them into cake pops if you want. But wait till you see how we are going to make these. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been following me all along, thank you. So today, we're not going to do too much blabbing. We're going to get started. So what do you say? Let's get started. So, the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, a nice sized bowl, which I have here. Now, this hack involves, let me show you, a store-bought pumpkin pie. That's right. So, they're not expensive. This is not a gigantic one. This is just an average size store-bought pumpkin pie. So let me take the lid off it. And here you see it, all in one piece. We haven't cut anything. So, I have washed my hands. They're nice and clean. And I'm going to bring over my bowl. Now, what am I going to do? What's the hack? I'm going to take this entire pumpkin pie. Let me take it out of here. And I'm going to dump it, pumpkin and crust and all, right in this bowl. Boing! Cool, right? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a fork, you can take a knife, whatever you want, and let me fix this here. And I'm going to start chopping up this pie. Boing. Just like that. I'll hold it up in a minute. You see what I'm doing here? Up this baby up. Maybe I'll use this fork. Yeah, this big fork might work better. So you want to chop it all up. The crust and the filling. Just like this. You see that? And I'm going to keep chopping this pie up until I have it all crumbled up. I'll do it off camera and I'll be right back. You see what I'm doing? See, I'm chopping it all up. Now, my hands are clean. If you want to wear gloves, you can. I'm going to put my hands in there and I'm going to start squishing this like you were making a meatloaf, because we want to get it all combined. So here I go. Woo! Oh, baby. It's cold because I just took it out of the refrigerator. I think this might work better if you don't have your pumpkin pie in the refrigerator. It'll be softer, because when it's in the refrigerator, the crust is harder to crumble with your hands, because my hands are cold. All right, so let me keep squishing and mushing this till it's all combined, and then I will be back to show you what we do next. You won't believe this hack. Woo! Happy Halloween. Don't go away. Now, as you can see here, I chopped up that entire pie in my bowl. And I don't know if you have one of these little hand kind of meat choppers or choppers. I've had one for a long time. I use it for ground beef when I'm making tacos or meatloaf. If you have one of those, that works great. Otherwise, just use what you have and keep chopping until it looks like this. Okay, so everything is kind of chopped up and pulverized in my bowl. Next, you're going to need a cookie sheet, and I have parchment paper on mine here. Now, like I said, with clean hands or gloves, whichever works for you, you're going to take this soft mushiness out of the bowl and you're going to roll it into a ball. Just like this. It's going to be mushy, but that's okay. We're going to make balls and we're going to put them right down here on the parchment paper on the cookie sheet. And after I do that, I'm going to put this cookie sheet in my refrigerator for maybe about a half hour or so, because I want these soft, squishy balls of pumpkin pie to chill. All right, so I'm going to keep making these balls. They're easy to roll right off camera. And when they're chilled, I'll be back. I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, I'm back. I took my little pumpkin pie balls out of the refrigerator. You can even put them in the freezer for a half hour if you want, because you want them to chill up. I've melted both my white and my semi-sweet chocolate in here. And I also have, just a few little fall colored sprinkles and some little pumpkins in bats that I may decorate them with. So you can use a regular fork. I just happen to have this. And what you're going to do is you're going to put one on here, just like this. And then, let's see, let me move my spoon here. So I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to dip it right into the white chocolate. So I get the little pumpkin pie ball covered. And then I'm going to let the chocolate drip off the fork. You can tap it on the side of your bowl or whatever if you want, just like this. Good. And then I'm going to put it on wax paper here. Let me get my other one. And I'll just move it off, just like that. Now, if you're going to put sprinkles or something on it, you have to do it while the chocolate is still wet. So I think they will look nice. They're nice and full-like. So let me take another one and I'm going to dip this one maybe in the dark chocolate over here. Working solo, so I'll try to give you some close-ups, but see how it goes. Alrighty. You can, what you can do is you can, cover it with a spoon and then let the chocolate drip off. Tap, tap, tap. And then put it just like that on your wax paper. There you go. And then you can, maybe this one I'll put some pumpkins and bats on it. That'll be cute. You don't have to put anything on it if you don't want to. So let me dump another one in. And you're going to do this with all of them. It's a lot of fun. And when the chocolate hardens, you're going to have that nice, yummy pumpkin pie inside and your chocolate on the outside. And oh yeah, you're going to have your nice pumpkin pie truffles that you made with a pumpkin pie. So let me put some sprinkles on that. So I'm going to do the rest of these off camera. As soon as the chocolate hardens, I'm going to put them on a nice platter. I'm going to show you what they look like, and I'm going to do a taste testing. This is such a great hack, so make sure you come back. Okay, so here they are, and they look yummy. There's a few missing because, few people in this house had to do a taste testing before your taste testing. But anyway, one hint I will give you with these, just remember, the insides are soft. Now you've chilled them, and you might want to, let me put this down, you might want to dip them in the chocolate, small batches at a time, because if you leave them all out here while you're dipping, they're going to get soft again, and then it's going to be harder to dip them. And I would suggest that after you dip them and the chocolate hardens, if you're not going to eat them right away, put them in the refrigerator, because just remember, they're pumpkin pie truffles. So they're not the kind you can just leave out. They're going to be soft inside, but I'm sure they're going to be delicious. So let me see. Do I want to taste a white one or a chocolate one? maybe this little white one over here. Yeah, oh yeah. Get a napkin. And I should tell you now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you go down and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it. So, let me take a bite of these. Isn't this a great hack? Who would have ever thought you could make these little pumpkin pie truffles out of a whole pumpkin pie? Weird! Alright, let me see. Oh my god, look at that! The outside of the chocolate is hard, so you get a crunch, and then the inside is super soft like a pumpkin pie. What do they taste like? A pumpkin pie! So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought it was fun to make this time of year, and I wanted to show you this hack and see how it worked. So thanks for taking time out of your busy schedule. I'll put a few photos in the video for you, and if I don't see you before Halloween, but I'm sure I will, because I have a few more goodies coming your way. Have a great weekend. Oh wait, I forgot. You know what today is? I think it's National Dessert Day? I think so. Well, there you go. I'm having dessert. All right, so I'll see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles.